So today we have our Spooktacular Dog Walk. So we set off from here, done a perimeter around the park. People were donating €10, which goes directly to our sanctuary. So we're completely funded by public donations, more or less. So we were doing the walk, and we also had a fabulous raffle, so people could buy tickets and partake, which raised much needed funds for us. The Dogs Aid is a completely volunteer-run sanctuary. We're up in Meekstown in Finglas, so we've got about 40 or 50 dogs up for adoption. We've got some forever dogs who cannot be adopted for various reasons, so they're too old or they just have some behavioural issues, so they live there at the sanctuary. Like I said, we're completely run by volunteers, so we take volunteers 7 days a week. So if anybody wants to join us, we'd be more than happy to welcome you. So you can find out about us on our Facebook or our Instagram. And yeah, we rely on donations to keep us going each month.
Like, this is a really fun event for Dogs Day, but Halloween is not a great time for dogs overall.
Absolutely.
Do you have any tips for kind of keeping dogs safe or kind of happy during the Halloween period?
Yeah, so just keep them indoors, get your walks done nice and early. You don't want to be bringing them near fireworks, any loud noises. Please make sure they're microchipped. It is the law, but please make sure that if they do get out, we can get them back to you. It takes a lot of time on sanctuaries, rescues, humans to get dogs back to their owners, and just keep them calm. Maybe play some music to kind of drown out the noise. Keep back doors locked, keep all the other doors locked so that there is no chance of getting out, and just keep it as much of a relaxed environment as possible.